still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, man?
Good, man. How you doing?
All right. What you running in?
Two ZV6 18s on Hooligan 10 carry. All running off C-Max. Give me one moment. I got everything turned on for you.
Okay.
There we go. All right, sorry about that.
Hold up. Picture the wolf is styling on.
Full song demo.
Hell yeah, man, every time.
What kind of battery you got on this thing?
C-Max 120 big cell.
Okay. I was about to say, that battery voltage didn't drop much at all.
No, that one's just off of a bus bar. This is to the bank. So
okay.
we dropped maybe 0.1 the whole day.
Yeah, I noticed it. I was looking at it, like, it stayed up the whole time.
Oh yeah, no, the voltage is dialed in on this car.
Right, it runs the whole vehicle.
I redid everything in this thing, top to bottom. I'll show you the truck if you want to see it. Yeah, I redid a bunch in this thing.
Check it out. they're like, they're just a regular horn blast, that's compressor.
Yeah, no, that's for the drain horns in the rear, and then it's got manual valves in the back. So
Yeah, that's what I was wondering, they both.
yeah,
Okay. You can right there, that's it. You can run like, you can put area tires with it and all that.
yeah. I keep an airline in the back, right on the side.
Okay.
Good tire and rubber.
You know, you can cover anything good. You probably use over a small air pump.
Dude, same here. That's between that. I live over in Kissimmee, so I just.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.